So I got a phone call the other day from Brandon and Kelsey, and they have a house they want to sell in Spanish Fort in the Churchill subdivision. It's a neighborhood that I'm very familiar with, sold several homes in there before. And we met together, they showed me their beautiful house, and they decided to hire me to market it and list it, so it's time to go to work. So Churchill is a great community just a few minutes away from Interstate I-10, located in Spanish Fort. Super convenient to area shopping, restaurants, entertainment. Everything's right there within about 5 minutes of the community, which is awesome. And then the neighborhood itself is very vibrant. You've got lots of families that drive by on the golf cart or ride a bike and wave to each other. Maybe they'll agree to meet at the community pool for an afternoon of fun in the sun. And it's just an awesome neighborhood, and I can't wait to show you this house. So walking up to the house, this house has great curb appeal. I love the Craftsman columns and the little planters hanging along the side. As you walk up, it just looks so pretty with the stucco front against the brick. As you walk in the front door, the first thing that I noticed was just how tall the ceilings are. There's really high ceilings throughout the main entertainment area. We've got crown molding throughout and hand-scraped hardwood floors, which I personally love. It looks stunning as you come through the front door. The open floor plan from the living room to the kitchen flows really well. It's in a nice entertainment space in the kitchen. And I love the granite countertops with the stainless appliances. You've also got a flex room that could be used as a formal dining room in the front off the living room to give you extra entertainment space. The master bedroom is located off the kitchen. And as you walk in, you've got high ceilings, a ceiling fan, and it walks into a beautiful master bath with a separate shower and 2 separate walk-in closets, which is really convenient. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are on the opposite side of the house, and they share a hallway with a full bath. And the backyard also has a covered patio with super high ceilings as well. This really is a great house. I enjoyed walking through it today. I love the high ceilings. I love the open entertainment area. It has a great layout. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. At 1,900 square feet, it feels really comfortable. I love the colors too. And it's got some nice features that you need to come see in person. It's got a large corner pantry with wood shelves. It's got a desk off the master bedroom for putting a little laptop, a little workstation. Some things that you just need to see in person. And if you'd like to take that next step, my information is on the screen. You can send me an instant message or reach me by phone or email to discuss seeing the house. And I can't wait for you to see it. Thanks and have a great day.